Hello and welcome to another video. In the past we have looked at a few Hannspree monitors and they have been pretty good and great value for money, but now they have extended their branches into other areas and have released two gaming monitors, the HG324QJB and the HG324QJB, and we have asked to borrow one, so they sent us this, the HG324QJB, the biggest one that they have. Starting off, this monitor is a 32-inch 1440p 144hz refresh rate TN panel display with great looks and outstanding build quality. It has a 1800 arc curve display with 178 degrees viewing angle, so even if you look from the side, the picture remains vivid and sharp and gives you a very good viewing angle. It also has two HDMI ports, one display port and one mini display port on the back. The HG324QJB also supports a flicker-free mode and stereo sound, although the built-in speakers aren't really up to much, to be honest. However, the user interface is very good and so easy to use and understand. I did check out the various display presets and the gamer picture mode was the one that seemed to work best for me, as the picture was very sharp with natural colours and the black was in fact black, not grey. As far as looks, Hannspree have really impressed me with this one actually. The brushed red tinted aluminium really stands out and looks gorgeous when the sun hits it, and paired with that matte black finish it really does catch your eye. Even more so with that minimalistic stand and the RGB lights on the rear of the panel, it fits nicely for any professional or casual gamer. Performance, the monitor performed well with no tearing or flickering. However, I did see some level of ghosting, but this is very minimal and it didn't really bother me, to be honest. The colours seem to be bright, crisp and very natural to me, and this is what I think a good monitor should be really. The build quality of the monitor is superb and putting it together was super easy, and the entire thing was super sturdy and worked very well, and even better with FreeSync enabled. I have to say that the size and curve of this screen really made gaming on this monitor very immersive and very atmospheric, and I really did enjoy my time with it. The only two things I can find wrong with this monitor are the 3000:1 high contrast ratio isn't perfect, but for a monitor in the price range of £350 to £400, I personally think it is great and will be perfect for any casual or aging gamer. Also, and unfortunately, it is not possible to control the rear RGB lights on this monitor and can only change between three colours. But them being present made this look really cool, and if I'm honest, I wasn't let down as far as the adjustment goes, as this monitor can adjust up and down, swivel and tilt, so making it work for you is a breeze. So with that said, this monitor gets our must-have award today, as if you were to go out and buy this monitor, it really is worth every penny spent. Well, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. If you loved it, subscribe. I've been your host Jezy. Thank you for coming today. Take care and goodbye.